Can you explain why and when do shops charge teardown time? Yes. Who that? Bottom line outdoors. God. All right, let's do this. My man want to know. Can you explain why and when do shops charge? I tell you why. You got a ticket on. The bottom line, the main reason is because that is the only way we can give an accurate diagnosis, an accurate estimate. I'm sorry, an estimate. We do not know. Bottom line, if your camshaft is damaged, we don't know, and we won't know. Now you can say, well, it's ticking. It has to be damaged. No. There's a pentastar. A lifter can cause that ticking noise, but you may not have. A lifter can cause that ticking noise, but the camshaft be all right. So here's one of the issues shops trying to get out of. Needing to call you back. Bottom line, would you like me to make another call to you and tell you, we already gave you an estimate. It's just $500, man. I think all you need is 24 lifters, dog. I think from what I'm hearing, that's all you need. You go, bottom line, go, all right, fix it. All right. They get it apart, getting ready to do all the lifting, and then find a load missing off the cam. We got to call bottom line back. Bottom line, player, listen, dog. Well, I'm sorry, man. I didn't know this. I didn't see this at first, but now that I got it apart doing the lifters, you have a camshaft load that's worn on cylinder 2. Only way to fix it, you need a camshaft. Player, that's an extra $300, man. Well, y'all didn't tell me this at first. My point is, bottom line, we want to give accurate estimates. I keep wanting to say diagnosis. No, we want that too, but we really want to give an accurate estimate. I can tell you everything is damaged and why your car ticking if I go in it first. Hence the term teardown time. Insurance companies make us do this all the time. All right, now turnaround time is almost like 6 hours, so we can find out what's wrong with your car by removing one cylinder head. But teardown time really, you're supposed to take both heads off. A Hemi, I use that for example. There's no need in taking both freaking cylinder heads off a Hemi to give an estimate on the damage, because a good mechanic is okay. It sounds like it's on bank 2. Wait a minute, it sounds like bank 1. I'm gonna take my chances with bank 1. We pull bank 1, pull the lifter bank out, and find out, yes, lifters are shot. The roller bearing, needle bearing froze up. From there, we can stop. Okay, we automatically got a sense that camshaft is screwed, the load, and sometimes you can look down in there, and you know you need all lifters. So there's no need to tear the complete engine down. My point is, bottom line. Bottom line is, we want to give, or most shops want to give an accurate estimate. All right, we don't want to call you back. We hate call. I have taken a beating by avoiding to call a customer back. Sometimes I'll buy it. Please don't call her back. She had to borrow that money. Please, if you call her back and tell her we need $20 more, she gonna die. To avoid that kind of foolishness. That's why most advisors would get cushions. But some cases, even the cushions, what you really need exceeds the cushion. Yes, every estimate is going to include a cushion from service advisors and managers. Still waiting. Maybe Monday or Tuesday. I went Thursday to pick up a rental and seen them dropping the 6.4 baby in. How long does it take to complete the engine and stuff? You know, it's weird. Heavy hand. That job do not pay a lot. All right. So the tech obviously doing other things. No mechanic in their right mind gonna spend a week freaking install. I got a neighbor, guy work right next to me, Patrick Hannigan. He don't play that foolishness. If that engine is there, he got 2 stalls, but he want to get it in and get it out so he can move on to other work. All right. So my thinking is the mechanic doing other stuff. He knocking out his gravy before he invests a lot of time into your engine. Yes, it's time consuming and little petty things, transferring front timing cover, oil pan, because even if it's a loan block, you still have a bunch of stuff you got to transfer. So it can be time consuming, but that can't be his only job. Or he's a sorry mechanic. I don't talk about my fellow FCA techs like that. I actually met another FCA dude on YouTube. So yeah, man, that's the only thing I can think of. He gonna knock that out though. Once he gets started and it's all tied up, he gonna jump on it and finish, man. Watch all your videos twice. Donald, my man, Donald, let's cut a couple of ads play next time for me. Donald, that's what's up, man. I appreciate you watching, guys. The views are doing good, man. I appreciate it, man. I try to make good viewable videos, man. I like what I do, so I will continue what I do. All right. Thanks, Donald. Yes, my friend, that is what's up. Mopar guy, what up, man? Best advice is to buy a Jeep with a 4-liter inline engine because they are running out and prices are going up. There is a high demand in Florida. They are selling for 3K, 4K is crazy. Yes, my friend, that is crazy. And what's crazy is somebody want it. All right. Inline 6-cylinder, pretty hard on today's standards, emission standards. That is okay. Cars nowadays have a certain cafe specs they have to be at. I don't know, 30 miles per gallon in the city. I don't know the numbers, guys, but that inline 6 wouldn't stand. Couldn't hang right now. It couldn't. Yes, Mopar guy. I'm not sure who's interested in inline 6. Guys, I'm gonna try to. Yes, we're at 28 minutes. I want to go 30, guys, 30 or 40. I'm doing an engine swap. I just hate swapping if the engine is salvageable. What do you mean? Who's this? Billy. What are you talking about, Billy? Engine swap. Now you're not talking about one of those crazy from V6 to a V8 engine swap. You're talking about an even swap, right? Because y'all know there's a lot go into play when you're trying to go from a different size to a different size, especially V6 to a V8. There's a lot of more other things. I talked about that in one of them last videos because people still thinking about doing that. People still trying it. Those cars are so old and there's so many out there available. You want a car with a V8 Hemi in it, buy a car with a V8 Hemi. Now, again, I have to be careful how I say that because some people like project. That's my next project, dog. Yeah, what's your next project, dog? I'm going to take that V6 out and put that V8 over there in the corner. Going in there. So he got all the time in the world. That's different. Yes, that is different. Okay. Yeah, have fun with your project if that's what you're doing. Okay. On the 2011 Camaro, you might have a bad chip. Oh, okay, good point. Who's that? Charles himself. Charles seem to think. No, he don't think. He's giving an input. All right. Take it as that. Whoever asked that question. These are inputs. Okay, we help each other around here. On that 2011 Camaro, you might have a bad chip in your key, or there is miscommunication between the modules and the computer. Yes. All of that should be captured by a computer, which means you should be able to view it via a scan tool. Okay, that's why a lot of DI guys get stuck at, man. I get called all the time. Man, my car starts and it dies. What's inside the computers? P0700, man, that's a transmission code. That's the only thing. In other words, that's the only thing his scan tool would read. There's nothing more I can do. I can't. This could be a long, drawn out concept. I don't even want to go there, but yeah, man, you guys are in trouble if you don't have a real good scan tool that can read this stuff. But good point, Charles. The guy that asked that about the Camaro, I hope you taking notes.